To add a mouse click action on a marker, first select the marker and then select Actions from the application main navigation. This will bring up the marker action controls in the right panel. Under On Mouse Click, select the type of action you want to define. These click actions include Go to Slide, Go to URL, and Open Details window. The Go to Slide action will obviously work if there are 2 or more slides. Simply select the slide and you're done. Now on clicking the marker, the presentation will go to that particular slide that you selected in the action. The Go to URL action lets you open an external web page from your presentation. Enter the website address and don't forget to include the HTTP prefix. And the action is defined. For the Opening Details window, we have a separate video, don't forget to check that out. A click sound can also be played by checking this option here.